Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
The 7 stages of preparing a Thanksgiving dinner are: 1. Planning the menu, decide dishes and gather recipes. 2. Shopping for ingredients, buy all necessary food items. 3. Prepping ingredients, chop, marinate, and prepare components. 4. Cooking main courses, cook turkey, ham, or other mains. 5. Making side dishes, prepare stuffing, mashed potatoes, and veggies. 6. Baking desserts, bake pies, cakes, or other sweets. 7. Setting the table, arrange table settings and decor for guests.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.